posting. Let's appreciate these two young boys as they come to the stage. Now, I was told I am a bad cop by the Reverend. So, when you see me standing around you, just know I'm telling you to wind up, and I do not want to rush you. Just share your story about Joe.
Afternoon to everyone. So today we are gathered here to pay our last respects, rather to gather in honor of a friend, a brother to many, and a person who shared different relationships with different people. Our hearts are heavy and words cannot summarize how hard we are for the demise of Dulu. But what's important is the memories shared at heart of him. I remember how enthusiastic he was at school. At first when he joined Form 1, he joined rugby for some weird reason. It was like, Dulu Mbona joined rugby. And it was like, I want to be buff, strong, like those other men like Collins Injera and stuff. I was like, no, you have to join basketball to attain the 6-foot dream and all that. So he joined basketball. He was so full of energy. And then after some few holidays, he went and perfected the art and became the best at the court. He was given the shooting guard position. He usually helped us a lot up to the regional levels, mostly at the semi-finals. Like the last competitions, he reached the semi-finals and he dropped a lot of points, which was his dream. At class, he was always so jovial. He was never sad, because anytime he came into a setup, he would light up the mood and everyone would be happy to be with him. He shared so many jokes, others dark. He was such a jovial boy. You never get him sad, and if he's sad, like for mental health, we organized Friday podcast, which was his idea, and in those podcasts, that was what we call them, we talk about different issues affecting teenagers, like how we deal with girls back at home, or how we deal with peer pressure, how we deal with pressure at school from our teachers to work, and it was getting to us like badly, but he was so jovial and never let his guard down. Even though we had so many examinations, it was like you should still maintain your mood, you should still be jovial, because at the end of the day we finish Form 4 and we'll have so many visions out there. We dreamed to be an ATC, and it's bad that it can't be, but it's God's plan. Nobody intended for it to happen. He was an healthy person. Nobody could think that he could die or something. The thought has never crossed my mind, because it was usual for him to go online, post something on Instagram, start daily banters about Manchester United and Chelsea. Like the previous game that Chelsea won, I know he would have been happy. But the group, those are just his memories, and I'm sad that he's gone, and I understand how everyone feels here. You can cry, you can laugh, but what Modulu would have wanted for all of us to do is to laugh and always be jovial, because he was a jovial person. At heart, he was good and generous to many. If you had a lot, he would share with others, and he would give advices where needed. He would give good solutions where different problems were. That was Modulu. He was raised well, he had good principles. He had a good relationship with teachers, students. He was just a good man. I'm sad to lose a friend, and I'm sorry to all of you. Na
someone has already said a lot. Now, although Modulo died young, I would safely say Joseph Modulo's life was really an awesome lived life. Joseph was, just as he said, a friend to many, a brother to so many more. Throughout the 3 years of knowing him, Modulo has been so lively. I remember back in Form 1, when I first went to Shabakani. Kieha was so far away, I didn't even know where it was. But in that quiet moment of ours, both of us confused. Modulo was the one who came into my bubble and asked me, how are you doing? What's your name? Where are you from? He just brightened up my mood. He was one of the very first friends I met in high school. Joseph was a guru in everything he did. In his academic endeavors, he was crowned king of the court. He was even bestowed upon the title ATC to be. Modulo genuinely cared. He cared for each and every one of us. I think that was one of his most awesome traits. Joseph, we used to call him Dulo. Dulo would put a smile on everyone's face. He literally influenced masses, going by the numbers that are here. Modulo was that kind of guy who made everyone lighten up to him. Be it teachers, students, everyone, literally everyone. Joseph, we really love you. And even though your death has taken us by surprise, we will forever cherish the memories you've given us. Thank you for sharing your life with us, Dulu. Love you.
Let's give these two boys a big clap. I believe it takes a lot of courage for them to just come and stand here and share their stories. Now, Naman and Brad, as you guys were talking about the Manchester United banter, I literally felt like you were talking to me because I don't think there's anyone who faced that banter more than I did. Because as a young boy, I tried to ask Joe to come and support my team, Manchester United. And we also had another one of his uncles called Iso, who is an ardent Liverpool fan. But the boy looked at both of us and I keep saying he decided to choose peace. And choosing peace at that particular moment was going with Chelsea, which is the team he supported until he rested. And I feel like just looking at the match that was played between those two teams last week, the dramatic end for those who understand football, because Manchester United were winning 2-1, actually 3-2 until the last minute of the game, and then something happened, and that was overturned, and by the time I went to the loo and came back, the score was already 4-3, and I can only imagine what sort of banter Joe would have given me on that particular day. I want to call upon some of Joe's friends to also share their tributes, and there's a song that has been done by Hebo. Is Hebo in the room? Yeah? Well, there's a song that has been done in tribute of Joe, so maybe that can play in the background as part of a tribute. But Melvin, would you kindly come and also just share something about your pal Joe? Let's appreciate Melvin as he comes to the stage.
Good afternoon, congregation.
Good afternoon.
Singaidhani nimesimama mbele ya watu kusema bye to Joe of all people. It's Joe. We've grown up with him. We met back in 2015, back in class 3. And on the very first day we met, he wasn't even standing on his feet. He was upside down on his hands. And me being the playful person I was, nikamwambia nifundishe. And within the next 20 minutes, we were in the teacher's office. So with Dulo, we shared so many memories. Nikianza kuongea hapa sitatoka. It was truly an experience. Kila kitu na Dulo. Dulo was my brother, man. Most of you have praised Dulo for his academic and his sportsmanship. He was a man with great talent in all fields. He got the ball, he got the back, but he would have wanted to be remembered for his mental strength, because that man was truly a genius. One said, kila kitu, everything he tried, everything he put himself through, ange perfect. Within 2 days at most. I remember back in class 4, tulikuwa tunachora. I was better than him. Within a week, alikuwa ashanitoa. And I never caught up. Class 5, tukaanza kudance. He loved dancing so much. Class 8, I remember he never liked basketball at all. But nakumbuka vile tulimaliza KCPE nilimwambia, let's go give it a shot, just try it. It's fun. Kuingia form 1 kutoka tuko midterm ya kwanza. He's asking me to come tucheze. Like he has bought shoes, he's bought balls, he's bought everything. He's ready. Dulo, we used to share a common friend. His name was David. He couldn't make it, so he lives in Argentina. He was the one who created the bond that was formed between me and him. We went to this church picnic for a whole life at 9, at the age of 9. And that's when I can say we truly became friends. Because I remember on that day, our parents met. That was when we had our first sleepover. It wasn't really a sleepover, it was up on And in his down the line, I can still say that Dulo was a wonderful man. He was so full of energy, he was loving, he was caring. And he was honest. Hadi ujaribu kumwambia nini, hakuna kitu ungemwambia. Like as long as amesema he's going this way, that is the only right way. Long live Dulo. And he was also a happy man. Dulo angetaka tukae hapa tumelia. Sijui tumemwona siku ngapi. Dulo would have wanted us laughing. Tukiwa pale hapo, angetaka tucheze. Angetaka